is starting now.
Yo. Hey. Look at this truck. Crikey! Alcohol.
Oh shit, and why not us? Like right now. Oh man!
A
like,
cat! This is a fucking adventure!
That's like fucking.
Cutie, cutie, cutie! Come here, pussy!
You would say something like that.
I would, and I did. Did I press? Oh no. Oh, it's a junkyard cat!
Aww.
Oh, look at the little pussy.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Is this your street? Oh, it says, hey. Cool, that's fast.
It's like, we're almost there, don't you worry.
So, it's been a good adventure. Oh, that car is running.
I know,
Bet you there's someone doing it. Isn't there, Sam? Isn't there? I wish. Why am I not getting laid? Why am I not high?
I know.
Why am I not drunk? Why?
School night, Sam.
For you, maybe.
Oh, true.
You want to see me sniff some garbage?
Ew.
Oh my god, wait.